Hey everyone, if you want to create professional product photos for your online store, social media pages, or marketing campaigns, Photoroom makes the process quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you how to create product photos in Photoroom from start to finish in 2026. First, open the Photoroom app or visit the Photoroom website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account and access the editor. Once you're logged in, start a new project and upload a clear photo of your product. For the best results, use a high-quality image with good lighting and a sharp focus. After the image uploads, Photoroom will automatically remove the background using its AI-powered background removal tool. This creates a clean cutout of your product in just a few seconds. Consistent branding and keep product images clean, bright, and easy to understand. And that's how to create product photos in Photoroom in 2026. With AI-powered editing tools and professional templates, you can create stunning product images in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.